Hello friends, in my previous lecture we have to discuss array in Java. What is array? Array declaration, instantiation, initialization and advantage and disadvantage of array in my previous lecture. Here we are going to discuss how to search the element in array. Let's see with practical. Here I am using the Eclipse as an IDE and first we need to create a project. So click on the new and take a Java project. Here I am simply giving my project name as an array demo and click on the next and then finish. Okay, and, my project displayed under Package Explorer and simply explore and right click on the src new and take a class. Here we need to write my class name and simply giving my class name as a class 1 and then public static void main and then click on the finish. Alright, my class is successfully created here with the main method and press enter. Okay, in my previous lecture you will understand that first we declare the array arr and then instantiate the array giving here the size as a 5 and terminated with semicolon and this is the declaration this is the instantiation and if you assign the value at index position, that is called the initialization. Okay, in my previous lecture we have to declare, instantiate and initialize the array like this, but you can also write this statement in a single statement like this. You simply write here int subscript arr equal new int and give here the size of array. Alright, and simply I have to remove this statement. Alright, this single statement is declaration and instantiation. Alright, and here I am going to write the code for searching element in Java. So first we need to provide the some values to array. So I am giving here the value as a 0 index position as a 10 terminated with semicolon and copy it and paste here. Alright, and change the value 1 index position, 2 index position, 30 and third index position 40, 50, fourth index position. Alright, this is the initialization. Okay, alright, initialization. Here we need to write the logic for searching. So I am simply going to declare a variable search and store the value 30 and here I am going to use a loop declaring a variable I as a 0, I less than arr dot length and then I plus plus. Alright, within the body I need to write the code for searching. Means searching means matching the value, means a single value match with the list of items. For example, here my single value is 30 and I want to search this 30 value into the list of item of the array. Here, so we need to match the one by one index position value here. So if you want to match, write the code for matching, you need to give the condition, and so I am giving here the condition if arr I equals to search, and press enter. Alright, okay. In this condition, it match one by one with the value of search, like 0 index position value contain, first of all the value of I is 0 and loop continue, the 0 index position contain the 10 value, match with the search, but search value is 30 and the array value is 10, not match, so the condition is false. Alright, and the value of I is incremented by 1, and again check here condition, the one index position contain the 20 value and match with the search, this is the 30, not, condition is false. Again the value of I is incremented by 1, here the second index position contain the 30 value and search also 30 value, so both condition is true, then control come inside the body, and you simply need here to declare a variable int flag equal 0 and flag equal 1, means when the value is found, terminated with uncle, when the value is found, the value of flag is 1, and the flag value, we come outside of the array and check the condition, if flag equal 1 means record is found, so I am simply giving here the message println element is found, element is found, else system dot out dot println element is not found, element is not found. Alright, look here, I am using the flag, look here, we are in third index position, sorry, second index position, the value of second index position is 30 and the value of search also 30, condition is true, the value of flag is 1. When the value is matched, then I want to terminate the loop. For this, you simply write here the break statement and loop will be terminated from here if the value match, otherwise it continue. Alright, if you are not giving the break condition, it will searching the value at the last index position. So we don't have need to go at the last index position, because the value we are searching, looking is found previously in the second index position, it may be fourth index position or third index position or one index position. This value is at any index position. So if we found the value, then we don't have need to search continue in this case. So here we are going to use the break statement, and loop will be terminate, and check here the condition, if the value of flag is 1, then element is found, otherwise element is not found. Alright, and save it and run it. Okay, element is found. If I am going to change the value of search as a 60 or 90, then run it, element is not found. Alright, clear? Okay, here another logic for you, if you want to count the element how many times exist in the array. For this, you don't have need to make more changes, you simply write here, I am simply giving 30 and also 30. 2 times the 30 value exists in the array, and simply delete it and take here a count variable and count plus plus. Alright, and delete all these info. Okay, and we need here to print the count value, system.out.println, and write here count. Okay, and save it. Okay, first of all, loop continue. The value of I is 0. 0 index position contain the 10 value, no match. So the control not come inside the if body. Control come here, increment the value of I, check here. The value of I is 1. The value is 20. No match. Again loop continue. The value of I is 2. And in this condition, the second index position contains the 30 value and the value of search is also 30. So condition is true. On that case, the value of count is incremented by 1. Means the value of count is increment 1 and it become 1 after increment. Loop again continue. The value of I is 3. Check the condition. Condition is true. Again the value of count is incremented by 1. In this time the value of count is 2. Again the value of I incremented by 1. Fourth index position, the value is 50. So no match and loop will terminate from here. Means value of I also increment and check the condition. The condition is false. Alright, and control come here and print the value of count onto the screen. Here I remove the break statement because I do not want to break the condition, because we need to continue the loop at the last index position. Clear? Okay, alright, and run it. The answer is 2. If you change the value as of 50, then it will print the 1. The value is 1. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks for watching my video. And one thing is that I have developed a website for Android learner, Android 80.co.in. So don't forget to visit my website for Android learner. Thank you friends.